Adelaide Energy, a full-service design-build solar company with offices in Michigan and Indiana, serves commercial and industrial clients throughout the U.S. From initial meeting to system startup, we do it all. To start, we'll do a solar impact study, reviewing your electric bills and data from the electric utility to design a system to maximize the return on investment based on regulations in your area. Adelaide Energy will look for government incentives for your solar project, investment tax credits, bonus depreciation, various rebates, and grants to help reduce the cost of your solar energy system. Realize significant savings on your company's electric bills with typical payback periods ranging from 4 to 5 years. We will take care of permitting, agreements with utilities, organize and order labor and materials, and once everything is past inspection, turn your system on. Adelaide Energy offers solar purchase, power purchase agreements, solar leases, decommissioning and removal of old systems, as well as working with landlords and tenants to improve the bottom line and increase cap rates. We also offer maintenance contracts for your system. Make green with green, helping investors profit from sustainable energy. We're Adelaide Energy. Contact us for a free comprehensive analysis.